This is one tricky equation most students find it difficult to understand. Okay, in this equation we are told to find the value of x. Okay, what most students will do is this: they will say that since this 25, they will say x square plus 5 square is equal to 0. Hmm? They will now say that x plus 5, they will say is s minus 5 is equal to 0. Then they'll say x is equal to minus 5, minus 5, or s is equal to what? S equal to what? 5. Okay, this this what most students will do, because they refuse to understand the basic concept of mathematics. First of all, let me start by explaining this. Okay, especially this particular side. Okay, this is not different of 2 square. Don't ever express it like this. Okay, so different of 2 square is not separated with what? With plus. Okay, so that make this all these equations to be what? To be um invalid. Okay, so this is not the right way to go. Okay, so if you have something like this, the first thing first is to first of all collect lifetime. And if I want to collect lifetime, I will say my x square is equal to what? 0 minus what? 25. Okay, then when 0 minus 25 is what? Is minus 25. So I'll say my s square is equal to minus 25. Okay, since we are told to find the value of x, okay, I will say I'll take the square root of what? Of both sides. And if I take the square root of both sides, we're going to have s square root is equal to root plus minus 25. Okay, this is how to express it. Okay, so definitely this raised to power 2 also divide this. Okay, so I'm left with what? X is equal to plus minus root minus 25. Okay, but I cannot leave my answer like this. Okay, I have to what? To put it in the right perspective. Okay, so this remind me of a particular concept called what? Complex number. Okay, this particular complex number have to be what? Have to be resolved into what? Into its form. Okay, so if you have something like this, let me draw my line here. I will say is see the same thing writing our x is equal to plus minus root minus 1 times root 25. Okay, and basically the same thing. Our complex number identity, whenever you have roots minus 1, is essentially the same thing writing I. Okay, so in our complex number identity, root minus 1 is same thing writing with I. Okay, so I'll say I have my x is equal to plus minus all these roots minus 1 is what? Is I. Okay, times root 25 is what? Is 5. Okay, definitely I times 5 is what? 5i. So we are left with what? X is equal to plus minus 5i. Okay, of course you can leave an answer like this, or you can also spread it. Okay, put it in make it into two equation. Definitely I can write it can be written as x is equal to, if you consider the positive sign, I'm going to have what? 5i. Okay, and you also consider the negative side, I'm going to have what? Negative 5i. Okay, so understanding the basic concept of complex number is essential. Okay, so if you can, you're kind of finding this particular equation difficult, you can go to my YouTube channel. I have a playlist of complex number whereby I've explained it in different perspectives.